I've been novice detailing for myself and friends for years, and wanted to get into the professional level of it and learn which machines and products and materials per application, you know, to enhance my skills.
In reality, I was trying to come a year ago when a lot of stuff was going down in my life, but my money wasn't where it needed to be, and I didn't open my mobile detailing shop up. So this time around this year, had the money that I needed to have. My mother, basically, I got the idea from my mother, because she said, if you want to keep doing this, get certified and be a professional, not just be all these other detailers out on the street.
Money. It's all about the dough. It's like, nah, I already detail. I'm just trying to refine my craft.
I definitely wanted to expand my business, and I took the ceramic coating training a few months back, so I really enjoyed that, and I felt like this was gonna take my business to the next level.
I felt like having the certification that the program offers would really give me a sort of a benefit over some of the competitors in my area.
It was just something for us, you know, for me to gain more knowledge, more experience, to get a better understanding of the business aspect of detailing. And on top of that, just get a better understanding of tools, equipment that's going to better service all my customers.
I own a details auto spa business in Findlay.
I wanted to come, get a better experience, learn more of the products, learn the business aspect to it. That was mainly the big thing. I've been detailing for a couple of years now. It was just more the business aspect that I really want to get a good foundation for and grasp for.
I want to try open my business for myself. I come to learn. I come to learn, and I have experience for the time.
I've been doing a lot of detailing on my own, and family and friends and things like that. And I was looking for a career change, and I saw Detail King. I've been watching the videos online, and I thought I'd take a chance and see what it was about, and see how much more I could learn and be a total professional at it.
I was pretty impressed. It was a lot more extensive material than what I had expected, you know, with all the paperwork and everything that was involved. And I'm pretty impressed with so far.
It's definitely an eye-opener, definitely an insider. It's a lot of stuff that I knew just by wordplay that I could refine my wordplay, I could refine my connection, my networking. I think I have to work on opening the Facebook up, but in reality, I like it. I'm learning.
I love it. I don't know if I'll have all the time to do it all, because I already work full-time. So hopefully, you know, I can find a team.
It's very helpful. Even though I've been working my business for the last 7 years, this is giving me a new perspective, and definitely very useful for what I want to apply moving forward.
The course has been really informative. I've learned a lot of stuff that, you know, I didn't even think about, and I feel like I wouldn't have been able to learn if I didn't come here.
I'm loving every bit of it. Like I said, of course, all the videos I watched, everything is matching up, everything adds up. The atmosphere, loving the atmosphere, loving everything that you know we going over. So I'm just looking forward to tomorrow on Sunday.
Business-wise, with the marketing, it's a great experience already. Very happy to be here.
It's what I expected and more. A lot of things that I'm learning, a lot of things that, you know, obviously I did think about, but not really put too much attention to it. Here they actually really broke it down and told you, you know, why you should do stuff and why you shouldn't do certain things like that. So just a lot of good information that, you know, will help me out in the future.
The class is very good, and I see different people, and she's friendly too. I like that.
Oh my goodness, the classroom portion is awesome. I mean, it's way more information than I anticipated, and you know, a lot of information, not just for detailing. I mean, you know, you can go anywhere with all this information on business. I mean, wow, this is awesome, but I love it.
I thought it was really good. It was very extensive. They did a good job explaining all the products and steps to take in detailing and paint correction and polishing a vehicle. Right pads to use, correct materials to use. It was very, very informational.
I really enjoyed it because throughout me detailing, I never really was comfortable with buffing, and I was never comfortable with buffing or paint correction. I knew the concept, I knew how to do it, but I didn't feel comfortable. But after this training session and after what we did today for the exterior, I'm trying to go back, and I'm really trying to mess the game up, man. Like, now it's to the point where I don't even want to wax cars, hand wax cars. I'm gonna use that buffer now.
Oh, I loved it. It was very informative. And I like the clay mint thing. I really like that because it cuts time. All the products, I like being informed about that.
So far, I'm enjoying every moment of it, learning a lot, definitely a lot of information and a lot of different products and techniques, stuff that I would have never thought of.
The exterior training was phenomenal. Getting to learn hands-on straight from people who have actually been trained on paint correction is just completely different than practicing, you know, by yourself at home, learning from like YouTube videos or from forums. Like actually learning, you know, straight from people who know what they're doing is just something that is definitely going to pay for itself versus learning online.
I loved it. Like I said, of course, it's far better than watching everything on YouTube or, you know, as far as other videos. But like I said, you know, as far as use tools that I've never used before, as far as the Rupus and the Flex, the Mini Rupus and the Mini Flex, like I said, different chemicals, which, like I said, proved to me that, yeah, far better than what I have been using. So with all the knowledge that I've learned today, taking it back to my shop, me and my partner in Shine, we're gonna turn the city out.
I didn't know a whole lot about paint correction, so I learned a whole lot in a short period of time this morning. The different polishers, the Rupes and the Flex.
Learned a lot more than what I thought I knew. I was able to use some of the polishers. I haven't used a Rupes before, so I was really excited about using that. And actually just, I mean, getting the hands-on training, just actually learning how to actually work the polisher the right way and installing it, and even the little line thing on the pads and all that. I mean, that shows you how to do everything perfectly right.
I like that. I learned too much. I want to start my business, and it's good for myself.
I really can't put it all into words. It was so much. It was very informative. I came in a little apprehensive about the tools, but with everybody that works here, I mean, all the instructors, everybody made everything so easy. I feel like I know what I'm doing now. When I came in, you know, learning the products, learning about the different pads and everything for the polishers and doing the compounding, and I was at ease using the machines just like they said I would be, so it was great.
I thought it was pretty good. I got to see what chemicals to apply to certain materials inside the interior of the car. Good rags to use for the windows. I really like the ultra microfiber towel. I thought that cleaned up really well, and leaving no streaks. Used the extractor. Got to get some hands-on experience using the stuff, which is always really good.
I enjoyed it. Like, I always loved doing the interior, but I think today I realized that, you know, you have certain products, certain chemicals for certain stages of the interior. So I like that. So basically, you have a base, you got medium, you got a finish, then you got an ultra finish, then you got chemicals that really knock the competition out. So, and I think that's what I enjoy. I think in terms of the shampoo, hands-on with it, very comfortable with it now. First time doing it, but I know that I'm not great at it, but at the same time, I know I can get it done if the customer asks me to get it done. Steaming wise, it's the same thing. So it was just a lot of stuff. I'm just perfecting my craft, and I think that's what I really love right now. Overall, I want to say anybody, it's a difference between people who just want this diploma and certification. It's a difference between people who want this diploma and certification that wants to go a long way. How I look at it, if you're passionate about it, if you're accountable about it, about this business, about this field of work, it's a lot of detailers in America and the world, but all of them are not certified. So if you really want to step your game up and step your level up for something, for a dealership, not even a dealership, for anybody to say, okay, a regular detailer, you can have a detailer that's been detailing for 10 years. Then you can have you who knows a lot of stuff because of your certification, your diploma, and you certified without even having to do anything.
I thought it was pretty good. I mean, I kind of do it a lot, so it wasn't too much I didn't know, but it was fun. I had a good time this weekend.
Definitely, it was amazing. There was a lot to learn. You think you know about cleaning interiors until you take the training, and it's very mind-blowing. So much stuff that I would have never thought about, and I think it's perfect for people even that are seasoned veterans. They can learn a lot from the class.
I learned a lot. Even if you think you know it all, you come here, you're going to learn something new. No matter how long you've been doing it, how long you've been in the business, there's always something you're going to learn from these guys. I love it.
Another great day as far as of training, hands-on tools, more knowledge on the different chemicals that's available to use. So like I say, from leather conditioner, leather cleaner, different window cleaners. The Tornador was an excellent tool for us to use. My first time using it, so I do see myself buying it in the near future. So as far as the process, I love the process from top to bottom. It gives you a better way of cleaning and more efficient, but at the same time giving your customer more quality.
I think it was a great experience. There was a couple brushes that I didn't know about, so to get in those deep crevices of some of the console, and then also some of the shampooing for the carpet, the extractor, for spot removal, and so those are definitely things I'm definitely bringing back to my shop.
Very informative. Learned a lot of things, got to use a lot of things. I've been wanting to try different products, wanted to try different tools, I guess, the Tornado and the extractor, and to be able to get a use of it firsthand, actually see if I wanted to go ahead and make the purchase or not. I mean, that was pretty nice about today.
Yeah, I learned too much. I like that. I learned the old cars, new cars. Everything is perfect. I like that.
Oh, I thought the interior training was great. Very detailed. A lot of different chemicals and stuff to use, products to get the job done. Very thorough. The instructor was very great, good, and everything worked out. The car looks amazing.
Yeah, absolutely.
People who want to step their game up and stop being, basic. This is the school for you, and this is where you need to be.
Oh, definitely. If you're definitely trying to move up and do more, it's always good so you be informed. So yeah, I definitely would recommend them.
Absolutely. It's for everybody, from beginner to advanced people. They will get something out of it.
I would absolutely recommend this to anyone who's looking to just up the credibility of their detailing business. I think, having the certification is just something that you can use to create more validity in your field and just have a one-up on your competitors. So I would say definitely come down if you can.
Most definitely. It doesn't matter if you have experience, if you've been doing it for 10, 20 years, or if you're just now starting. This is an excellent way to get your feet wet, get your confidence built up, and on top of that, it gives you more knowledge for you to explain to your customers as far as what all you will be doing for their vehicles.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, you learn, everything. From the first day, you learn all the basics. All the insides, outs with the business aspect, what license to get, what permits to get, the insurance, what type of insurances are good there, and stuff like that. All the way to the second day where we learn the outside, and today we learn the inside. Just overall, expanded my knowledge and stuff and skills.
Yeah, I recommend this. It's good for everybody. It's for new business. Good opportunity for all the people.
Absolutely, absolutely. I advertise. I'd be the biggest advertiser of this program. It's awesome. When looking around for different places to go, this was the only place that was accredited where you get a diploma. The staff is excellent. The instructors, the content, everything was good. I remember when I called in to find out about the program, I think Jason answered the phone, and he said, the moniker they say when they answer the phone, Detail King, where we change lives. And I was like, hey, Jason, I'm ready for you to change my life. And I can tell you, they did. It's been awesome. I see big and better things in my future from this experience, and I'll tell people all over about it.